What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be sharing a recipe you can make in under 30 minutes. Now we're going to make some baked teriyaki salmon. This one is super quick and easy. Let's get started. Here I have some salmon already washed and cleaned in lemon juice. Now I'm going to go ahead and start by creating my sauce. So I'll be grating about a teaspoon of ginger. Of course you could use ginger paste if that's what you have, but fresh is always best in my opinion. So I'm just going to grate about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to go ahead and grate about 4 cloves of garlic. Now you could add more garlic depending on your garlic tolerance. If you like more garlic, go ahead and add it. If you like less, add less. I like it right here, so I'll be adding 4 cloves to my sauce. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, and the rest is simple. So I'm going to go in with some soy sauce. This is a super easy sauce to create. Some honey, I went in with some hoisin sauce, but I lost that clip. I add some hoisin sauce, and now I'm going to add some crushed red pepper flakes. I'm going to give this a good mix to combine all the ingredients. Now I'm going to go ahead and spoon on that delicious sauce onto the salmon. I'm just going to go ahead and spoon on some healthy spoonful, marinating to marinate it, coating it all over. Then I'm going to set aside to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't have that much time, you don't really have to marinate. You could just go ahead and pop this in the oven right away. The sauce will definitely flavor it. But if you have time, allow this to sit for a couple of minutes and allow it to get marinated and the flavors go through and through. Now we're going to cover and set aside to marinate. After it's been marinated for 15-20 minutes, you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees and cook for about 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, you're going to take it out and you're going to add the rest of the sauce onto it, patting it on. We don't really want to brush, you want to pat it, and then into the oven back for an additional 8 to 7 minutes, and that's it. It's super simple and easy to make, and dinner can be ready in a matter of minutes. Guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you like what you're seeing, go ahead, subscribe for more awesome content like this. Give me a thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and follow for more awesome content just like this one. Alright guys, and if you're on Facebook, don't forget to click that follow button. I really appreciate it, and you will help out my channel to grow tremendously, and I really appreciate that. Now after that time, it's nice and done, and I'm going to go ahead and add some green onion / scallion on top just to brighten the dish up and add a bit of color, a pop of color, and some fresh flavor to it. And of course you could serve this up however you like. There are endless ways you could serve this up. I went ahead and served mine up with some coconut yellow rice. I have a recipe on the channel on how to make this. I'll link it in the cards or down below. And yeah, and some broccoli on the side, and this was the perfect weeknight meal, and everybody did enjoy this. My family enjoyed it to the max. We all did. And yeah, that's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, and bye bye.